Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Sorry that I couldn't upload a new video from this week. Now I'm going to show you the new update in Bloxburg. So before that, please like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Here are the 3 new items that Bloxburg added. The first one is a new stuffed toy. I really don't know if it was a fox or a squirrel. I'm just confusing about these colors, but this stuff too is very nice though. So let me just get grab it. Wow, this is gonna be so cutie right now, eh? Now this one is gonna be helpful for this to add in my toy section in my retail store, since I can't continue it because of that. Now next one, for a train conductor hat. This is nice, but I might gonna try to wear it. Oh, now I'm back and turning into a kid because I really forgot it, bruh, when I start the video. Now let's go to wear this train hat conductor. Let me see. Okay. Ooh, this is gonna be nice though, because I'm now become a train conductor working in the train station. This is gonna be cool. Now let's go for this new vehicle called a little train. Now let's go up, 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 up. I might gonna crash it down low. Now let's go. This train is really nice, and this is to be useful for these kids, especially in my toy store, where I could add this in my store for the kids to buy when they ride the train right now. So this is going to be nice. Okay, let's go. I'm going to be parked in here, in here, in here. Let's go. And that's all for the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.